Here's the world's first Google TV MEMC LCD projector. 2025 Mozart 1 Pro New. The accessories include one projector, one power cable, one manual, and one remote control. What elevates your setup? The brand new 150 gimbal stand, specifically made for this projector, built from multi-layer carbon steel. It supports up to 10 kilograms strong and made to last. Tools included. Easy to set up. Just twist 4 screws. Plug in. Power on. Experience ultimate projection freedom with the 150 gimbal stand. Effortlessly switch between walls, ceilings, and any surface, while ANSI 3.0 technology ensures cinema-grade clarity in every position. 2025 Mozart 1 Pro New features up to 1200 lumens. It delivers vibrant, crisp visuals even during the day or in bright rooms. One key upgrade is MEMC. It adds extra frames between originals to reduce blur and stutter, making fast scenes smoother and more fluid, especially in action scenes or sports. The projector now upgrades from Android TV to Google TV, giving you a refreshed, intuitive user interface. It delivers smarter content suggestions tailored to your viewing habits. Over 10,000 apps ready to explore. Online 4000 technology enables smooth playback of 4,000 content across streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Support for HDR10 enhances contrast and dynamic range, bringing your content to life. More vibrant colors, deeper shadows, and brighter highlights, creating a richer visual feast. The HDMI input is now upgraded to version 2.0, supporting 4000 at 60 Hz for smoother visuals, faster signals, and wider device support. Optimized fan design brings noise down to 32 decibels per meter for less distraction. With 20W dual speakers, audio is boosted by 25% richer, deeper, more immersive. Get the world's first Google TV MEMC LCD projector. Enjoy the unlimited